Brad Williams, Excel Prime. How to solve simultaneous linear equations. Well, the easy way is to use Solver. The traditional way is shown here on your right. Here is the series of linear equations. The goal is to figure out the answer. If you were to break out your algebra book, and I'm sure we all still have a copy of our algebra book. I do, by the way. But here is a solution, and this is solved online. You can use a Symbol Lab. This calculation was much faster than using Solver, by the way. And all you do is grab this data, can go over to Symbol Lab and enter this data. Just remember, if you do, put a comma between each formula. Using Solver, we can solve this pretty quick. It's just a matter of the setup. If you do this on a routine basis, it's simple. Here are the formulas. I would grab the equations here and threw them in B8, B9, and B10. The setup is the most important thing. You just need to put the formulas in like this. Not like it's shown here. You have to put them in a formula manner. Then we have a desired value. We have the actual answers here. It's just a matter of setting this up through Solver. Because Solver is sort of picky, you have to enter the data in kind of strange way. The state B is equal to C in each of these cells. And then our changing cells will be C13 through C15. Now let's open up Solver. And here it's set up. A couple things. Here, your set objective, it has to equal a formula. If you set this outside of the requirement, it'll kick out an error. The changing cell and then max min, it doesn't matter. It's just any cell that has a formula is fine. Now, in terms of the changing cells, they're right here. Subject to, well, we already said they have to equal, the constraints have to equal the desired value. B8 equals C8, B9 equals C9, and B10 equals C10. We're using a couple of different formats. Make unconstrained variables non-negative. Check that off. And then we want to hit GRG nonlinear, and then we just hit solve. Here is the solution. If you want, we'll hit OK. If you want to verify that, go down here to SimLabs, and here's the solutions. 3/4, 1/2, -2. We have 0.75, -2, 1/2. Pretty slick, huh? You can practice right here. If you want to do this yourself, just go ahead and follow these steps. Brad Williams, Excel Prime. See you soon.